You want to give your content an anime voice. Maybe you want to sound like Goku, or Naruto, or Luffy from One Piece. Here is the truth. There is one tool that gives you all of these voices, for free. No subscription needed to start. And today I am going to show you exactly how to find them, how to use them, and how to get studio quality anime voiceovers in under 5 minutes. Let us go. The tool is called Fish Audio. It is hands down the best free anime voice generator in 2026. And yes, I said free. I have tested everything out there. 11 Labs, PlayHT, Murph, Resemble AI, none of them come close to Fish Audio for anime character voices. The library is absolutely massive. Over 400,000 people use the top anime voices on this platform. That is not a typo. The Jujutsu Kaisen narrator voice alone has over 404,000 uses. Goku from Dragon Ball has over 134,000 uses. Luffy from One Piece has over 25,000 creators using his voice. Naruto has over 20,000. These numbers are real. I checked them myself directly on the platform. Here is how you get started. Step 1. Go to fish.audio. Sign up for a free account. It takes 30 seconds. No credit card needed. Zero cost to start. You get free daily credits, enough to try dozens of voices. Step 2. Once you are logged in, click on the Discovery tab at the top. Then filter by character voice. This is where the magic happens. You will see a massive list. Hundreds of anime voices, all sorted by trending, all sorted by popularity. You can instantly see which voices have the most uses, which ones have the most likes, which ones have the most creators. The Jujutsu Kaisen narrator is number 1 right now. 400,000 uses and climbing every week. Step 3. Pick any voice you want. Let me show you how to use Goku as an example. Type Goku in the search bar at the top of the Discovery page. Click on the Goku voice card. You will see real usage stats, total uses, total likes, number of creators who have cloned or used this specific voice. Now click the Try It button. A text box appears. Type any text you want Goku to say. Click Generate. In about 10 seconds, you get a crystal clear Goku voice clip. Download it as an MP3. Use it anywhere. TikTok videos, YouTube content, gaming streams, podcasts, Discord voice messages. The audio quality is genuinely incredible. It does not sound robotic. It does not sound like a cheap TTS engine from 2020. It captures Goku's exact tone, his energy, his iconic fighting spirit voice. The same quality is true for every anime character on the platform. Naruto sounds exactly like Naruto. Luffy sounds exactly like Luffy. SpongeBob sounds like SpongeBob. Yes, they have cartoon voices too, including Mickey Mouse with over 69,000 creators. Here's a pro tip most people completely miss. Fish Audio has a model selector built in. When you click on any voice, look at the top of the voice page. You will see a drop-down menu that says Model. The default model is Zero Tiny. It is fast, it is free, it works great for quick tests, but if you want the absolute best possible quality, switch to Zero Pro. The difference is noticeable. More depth, more texture in the voice, more natural expression, and here's the real secret, the emotion-enhanced model. This model adds real emotional inflection to the voice. Anger, excitement, sadness, joy, fear. It makes the AI performance sound genuinely human, not flat, not monotone, not robotic. The emotion model is a complete game changer for dramatic anime characters. Imagine Goku screaming a power-up during an intense fight scene, or Naruto giving an emotional speech about never giving up, or Luffy declaring he will become the Pirate King. It sounds real, almost indistinguishable from the original voice actor. Here's another hack almost nobody talks about: multi-character dialogue scenes. You can create full conversations between anime characters. Record Goku saying a line, then switch to the Vegeta voice and record his reply. Then switch to Piccolo and record him jumping into the argument. Then Frieza enters the conversation. You can produce an entire anime episode with zero animation software, with zero voice acting budget, just pure AI-generated voices, all for free. People are already using this for fan-made Dragon Ball episodes on YouTube, Naruto spin-off series on TikTok, One Piece shorts that get millions of views. The creative possibilities are endless, and here is one more thing. Fish Audio works in multiple languages, not just English. You can type Japanese text, and the anime voices will speak in Japanese. You can type Spanish, Korean, French. The voices adapt. This opens up international content creation. You can make anime content for audiences worldwide. Now the obvious question, is Fish Audio really free? Yes. The free tier gives you daily credits, enough to generate dozens of high-quality voice clips every single day. If you need more capacity, their paid plans are very affordable, starting at just a few dollars per month. But honestly, for most content creators, the free tier is more than enough. Unless you are producing a full-length anime series